Hi guys, I'm K MUA and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to do a quick and easy base routine using only affordable products. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up down below. So without further ado, let's get started. Because I have pretty dry skin, it's always really important for me to start off with a good moisturizer. This one is just from the drugstore. If I don't, my foundation will start to separate right here on my dry spots and I will get a lot of unnecessary texture, which is never the goal. So today I'm gonna go in using the Milani 2-in-1 Foundation and Conceal Foundation, which is an amazing full coverage dewy foundation you can find at the drugstore for only $10. And I'm gonna blend it out using the Morphe brushes, highlight and contour sponge. As you can see, I do have really red skin and this foundation is definitely a lot more yellow toned, so it's really important for me to also put it on the ears and the neck to give it a more natural finish. So for concealer, I'm gonna go in using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, which is an amazing concealer for only $6. So for concealer, I'm gonna go in using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, which is an amazing concealer for only $6. So I'm just gonna put it on the center of my face to bring attention to it and also put it on the side of my nose to help with the contour later on. I'm also gonna put it on my mustache area and my chin. Also a little bit on the forehead. And down the nose. And I'm gonna blend it out using the same sponge I used for the foundation. So this concealer is pretty light for me, but I'm gonna fix that in a minute using some bronzer and contour. So I'm quickly gonna set my face using the Colourpop Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent, which is only $9. And now I'm gonna use a big powder brush to brush off the excess. To give my skin a more natural and less cakey look, I'm gonna use some setting spray to melt in the powder. So first I'm gonna go in using this big Morphe M527 brush and the warm shade from the NYX Pro Highlight and Contour Palette. So I'm going to use this color as sort of a transition color for the contour later on, and this will also give us a more sun-kissed and bronzy look. I'm first going to start off with the cheeks, and right below it I'm going to go lightly in circular motions to blend it out right away. I'm also going to put a little bit on the forehead and in the hairline to make our forehead look smaller. And I'm also going to put a little bit below my jawline and on my ear. Now I'm going to use the Morphe M405 and I'm going to go in with the more cool tone shade to contour my cheeks. To contour my nose, I'm gonna go in using the Morphe M62 and again the warm tone shade from the NYX palette. now I'm gonna get this foundation sponge, which still has a little bit of foundation, and I'm gonna go over this nose contour to soften it right up. And to reinforce these highlights, I'm going to go in using the Colourpop loose powder and the Morphe highlight and contour sponge to bake. So while this is baking in the oven, I'm quickly gonna do my brows off camera. So I just did my brows and I put on some liner and some lashes, and now it's time to wipe away the bake. And once again, I'm gonna give my skin a quick spritz of setting spray. So last but not least, I'm gonna put on some highlighter, also from the NYX Pro Highlight and Contour Palette, using the Morphe M501 brush. So I'm gonna give my brush a quick spritz of water. With some water I put in an empty setting spray bottle to give the highlighter a little bit more intensity. And then I'm gonna take a pencil brush, this is the M431. Also spritz it with a little bit of setting spray. And I'm gonna use this to highlight my nose. So I just put on a nude lipstick to finish off the look, and here you have it, my easy and affordable base routine. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up down below. If you'd like to see more from me, you can also follow me on Instagram, it's timk.mua. The link will also be in the description down below. I try to post a new video here on YouTube every week, so I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!